8th standard students, let us start a new chapter, visualizing solid shapes, chapter number 10. In class 7th you have learned about plane shapes and solid shapes. Plane shapes have two measurements like length and breadth, and therefore they are called two-dimensional shapes. Whereas a solid object has three measurements like length, breadth, height or depth. Hence they are called three-dimensional shapes. Also, a solid object occupies some space. Two-dimensional and three-dimensional figures can also be briefly named as 2D and 3D figures. You may recall that triangle, rectangle, circle, etc. are 2D figures, while cubes, cylinders, cones, spheres, are three-dimensional figures. Now see here the surface of this table, or you can see the book. Okay. Now this ruler, you can see this ruler. The thickness is not, you can't measure, it's negligible. Now the surface of this image, you can measure length, only breadth. Okay. So these are 2D shapes, while you can see, just a minute, I am showing you this bottle. You can see this bottle is in cylindrical shape. Why? Because the bottle is having, I am showing you, the bottle is having circular shape and then height also. In the space it is covering. Okay. And this water bottle also, you can see my water bottle. Just a minute, beta. Cylindrical shape. Okay. Now, so these are 3D shapes. What are these? These are 3D shapes. So the difference between the 2D and 3D shapes are 3D shapes cover in the space also some height or depth. We can say that. A glass, a bucket, a gas cylinder, ice cream cone. These are 3D shapes. And square, flat surface, coin, flat. But instead of coin, you can solid ball. So solid ball is a sphere. So we can say these are 3D and flat surfaces. Those who objects are having flat surfaces, they are 2D shapes. Okay. Now do this. Match the following. First one is done for you. The shape. Two-dimensional shape, and name of this shape is square. So same way you will. Okay. You will do. Match in the textbook only and send the image on my personal WhatsApp number. It's your homework, children. And do this in the rough notebook, because half given on the previous page, half is here. So I'll be not able to check in proper way. So you will draw the figure in the rough notebook. You will draw and you will do. Okay. Note that all the above shapes are single. However, in our practical life, many times we come across combinations of different shapes. For example, look at the following objects. You can see the combination of two shapes. You can see this all are. So in these pictures we can see a tent. The top shape of the tent is conic. So a cone is mounted on a cylinder. You can see this shape. cylindrical shape, and on this cylinder the cone is surmounted. Now you can see a tin, a cylindrical shell. The shape of this cylindrical. Softy, ice cream, a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. You can see the hemisphere, and it is the conic shape. A photo frame, rectangular path. A ball, a hemispherical shape. You can see, not solid, half, like a ball cut into two pieces, a solid ball cut into two pieces, like rubber ball, tennis ball. Okay. Tomb on a pillar. Its pillar is in cylindrical shape, and a tomb on a pillar, cylinder surmounted by a hemisphere. You can see. Now again match the following pictures with their shapes. Now you will, same way you will draw the pictures on the rough notebook, rough page, and then you will write the correct answer in front of this, and then you will send on my personal WhatsApp number. Otherwise I will write your name in the group. Okay, so it's this activity also you will do yourself. Now views of 3D shapes. You have learned that a three-dimensional object can look differently from different positions, so they can be drawn from different perspectives. For example, a given hut can have the following views. See here, front views, door you can see, the front views. Now side views. When we will see on the top this hut, it looks like this. So top view. Same way glass. When we will see from the side view, the glass position looks like this. On the top, circle. And now here it is written, why is the top view of the glass a pair of concentric circle? Concentric circle, that means the circle is the same for these two. Now you will find the reason and you will tell, or you can make the video for giving the reason, and think about this, why it's the reason behind this. Okay. Now you will send the position of, that means different views of a brick. You will draw and you will send. Now the brick, it's given, children. I was telling you, you will send, but it's given. So front, side, top. We can also get different views of figures made by joining cubes, for example. So it's front, side, top. Same way, top view, front, side view, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and top view, front, side view, and top view. Observe different things around you from different position. Discuss with your friends their various views. So you this activity you can do with your parents, elder brother, sister, or younger brother, sister, or friends by phone, by video calling. So do this. Now see the page number 154, an agricultural field. I have given for homework this work, but I am telling you the correct answer of this. Now a groove, a toy, a circular park, a cross path. You can see here. Now see the shape of this. When you will do this, so you will get the triangle and square. So you can see here a triangular field adjoining square field. Correct answer of this. So you here what you will do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A, B, C, D, E and then match the following. In this way you will do in your notebook. In Interleaf notebook. Now a groove. A groove, that means conic shape and the cylindrical shape. That means a cone taken out of a cylinder. A toy. A toy is a hemisphere surmounted on a cone. Cone and hemisphere. Now a circular path around a circular ground. Now a cross path is two rectangular cross paths inside a rectangular park. Clear? Cross paths are there in the rectangular park. Clear? In exercise 10.1, for each of a given solid, the two views are given. Match for each solid the corresponding top and front views. The first one is done for you. We will do this work only in the textbook. Bottle, side view and top view. Now this balance. Okay. So side view and top view. Now for bottle side view easily we can see, and when you will see on the top. Now see cup and saucer, the side view easily we can identify. Now top view that means which one? This, when you will see on the top. Now this is container, so side view this, and from the top if you will see it looks like this. Okay. In the second question, for each of the given solid the three views are given. Identify for each solid the corresponding top, front and side view. So you can see front, side and top. Children, imagine, and if at your home almirah is there, so from the different position try to see, or matchbox. You will imagine the matchbox also. You can imagine like almirah in front of you will keep in the standing position. You will get the idea. Now see here, it is side view, it's a front view and top view. In the TV, it's a front view, then side view, top view. In the car, there's a front view, side view, top view. Now see in the third question, for each given solid, identify the top view, front view and side view. So see here, from the front you can see, then side, and from the top if you will see, so it is the top view, front view, side view. Now in the second, when you will see from the front, so we can see this three, and then from the side, so we will be able to this, and from the top, so side view, front view, top view. Now in this, from the front if we will see, from the side if we will see, and from the top only 2 square. So top view, side view, front view. Now in the D, from the front you can see this, from the side this, and when you will see from the top, 3 squares you will be able to see. So side view, front view and top view. Now in this, from the front, from the side, and from the top view. From the top, if you will see, so front view, top view and side view. Now see here, draw the front view, side view and top view of the given objects. A military tent. You can see from the top view. Same portion you will draw in that way. Okay, my drawing is not good, children, and so I will send you image how you have to draw, but I am not good in drawing. So please, but you will draw, because art and craft you learn, so you can draw, so draw it. First you will, and then the top view will be like when we open the like we cover the shade in this way. Okay, and front easily you can draw, and side view parallelogram. So same parallelogram you will draw that side. Okay, now a nut, that means weight. For front view, same to same, side view also you will make, and from the top view already we have done in the activity. Now front, 1 2 3 hexagonal you can draw, and side and top view will be same. From the top you can see this, and from the side also this shape, same to same you will be able to see. Now our dice. So in the dice you can see top view only this, side view, front view. Top, when you will see from the top, it looks like front and side. Clear? So here the 10.1 is completed. This question you will do in your Interleaf notebook. This question you will do only in this also. So only one question you will do in your, and that those activity, that one activity. Okay, and